So let's get started. This is a highway driving POV of a Mazda RX8. So a lot of you guys have asked me to do a highway driving video, highway POV. So I decided I would go for it. It's 11:30 p.m. Friday night. Gotta make this drive back to school. There's some good roads ahead of me. So let's get going. So highway driving, Mazda RX8, it's just like any normal car. You just bop it into 6th gear or something, save some gas. Actually, I'm in 5th right now. And you can just kind of cruise. But when the roads open up and the cars start to die down a bit, right now there's a couple cars, but it is late, so there's not going to be many cars soon. The road's going to open up to like 3 lanes. I don't encourage reckless driving in any way. It's not safe. I don't recommend it. Please don't do it. Follow all posted traffic laws, as you know. But yeah, let's have some fun on the highway with this thing. I mean, I usually like to take it on back roads because that's where this thing really shines, but I already have a POV video of that. And yeah, so let's get going. This car can cook. Woo! Was taking a little bit to get up to those RPM a little bit later there, but man, that was good. That's a good feeling, I'll tell you that. It's a great car because what you can do, you can just pop it in 6th gear like it is now and just cruise. You can do that. You can use it as a daily driver. I mean, it's a bit loud with my exhaust and dual resonator mid-pipe, so I don't have a cat on this, so it is a bit loud. But man, once you get it in those high RPMs and you start cooking, it is so much fun. So, highway driving this thing, it's a great car overall. You can take it slow. Maybe a car pops up on your right or something, flies by you. You're like, you know, let's have some fun, you know? Those are the good times. Those are what makes this car so great, because you can just chill with it or you can just go with it. And it's so nice to have that flexibility all the time. You know, I got the 4 seats forward, I got my stuff in the back, then bring it up to school, and I can just like take this thing and just have so much fun with it. We got one. I'm filming for YouTube.
Oh shit, yo, that's
Yo, yeah, you too, man. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this POV highway video. Highway driving RX8 is so much fun. They're great to drive on the highway, they're great on the back roads, they're great in any road conditions and everything like that. They're so much fun to own. Leave a comment below. You know, I love hearing about your RX8s. I love hearing your stories, love hearing everything that you guys are doing with your cars, you know. You can hit me up on Instagram, Japanda_tuning. I don't use it that much, but I love when people message me just talking about their cars, you know, how they have an RX8, they send me cool pictures and videos of it. I love to see your guys' RX8s, you know. Follow me on Instagram, you know, Japanda_tuning. Send me your car pictures. Let's have a talk about some RX8s, you know. It's so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.